This is a video about the gold standard. Now, the gold standard is an explanation of the way money originated and the way it used to be. And money once was gold. So here we've got our ounce of gold. And what paper money was simply a receipt that the government issued saying, if you bring this receipt to us, the government, we will give you gold. And there would be a ratio between the number of receipts or the value of the receipt and the amount of 1 ounce of gold. So although these numbers are made up, this is basically how the gold standard system worked. So if you had US dollars, the US said, okay, if you bring us 20 US dollars, we will give you 1 ounce of gold. Or if you brought 1 ounce of gold to the government, you could receive 20 US dollars. And different countries would have different ratios. So in Britain, again, these numbers are made up, they're not historically accurate. If you brought an ounce of gold to the government would issue you 4 British pounds. So, and that would be your paper money. But anytime you wanted to get your gold back, it's basically like the government was a storehouse of gold. Whenever you wanted to get your money back in terms of gold, you just take the pounds to the British government, and the government would give you your gold back. Now, the reason people went in for paper money in a big way is obviously it's much more convenient to carry around paper money than it is to carry around physical gold. So that was how the gold standard worked. Every country's currency was convertible at a fixed rate into gold. And the effect of this is that each country's currency also was exchangeable into another country's currency at a fixed rate. So if you had 1 British pound, you could convert that British pound into an ounce of gold, and then you could take that ounce of gold over to the United States, deposit it with the US Treasury, and get 20 US dollars. Or more simply, you could skip the middle step here. You could just convert 1 British pound into, at this ratio, 5 US dollars. And you could convert 1 US dollar into 20 British pence. And in that way, the currency exchange ratios were also fixed. So with the gold standard, all the different currencies are exchangeable into gold. And then as a result of those being set at fixed ratios, they can all be exchanged one against the other at a fixed ratio as well.